Because if you want to be on that path of energy, have so much energy, live on energy, be so nourished by life and what you do, if you want to be on that path, my friend, you're going to have to do something that most people hate hearing themselves say. You ready for this? You're going to have to be self-centered, selfish, focused on your own self. This is so true. And you know why? I'm telling you in this video. Hi and welcome in today's video. Maryam here, sharing about how to live a more nourishing, energizing and prosperous life. It's actually better with this angle here. I have more space to do the energizing and nourishing life. Otherwise, I feel like I'm gonna hit someone and do boxing. Anyways, yes, if you want to have more energy, live a pranic life or whatever you want to call it, just be nourished and super energized, you are going to have to be self-centered. And what do I mean by this? Let me ask you a question. How do you expect to do those two things that are going to allow you to have more energy if you aren't self-centered? And those two things are, number one, being creative, being the most creative person you've ever met. That means on a daily basis, you follow your intuition, you follow your heart, you follow your joy, and you do stuff. You know, you create, maybe you go on a trip and ride a bike. You do things that you've never tried before. For me, like going down the slide with my toddler, which sounded or seemed super scary before, but now it's like, yoo-hoo-hoo, super fun. You go and create clothes. Maybe you try sewing, you do play an instrument, you go learn a new language, you create with your, or maybe videos, you make images, photos, you do design online or physical, you do retreats, workshop, public speaking, dancing, moving, swimming, anything really that crosses your head, your mind on a daily basis, and you don't question it and you just do it, and it makes you so happy and it gives you so much energy. And that's how you realize what living on energy is about. That's number one. And number two, what is going to allow you to reactivate those energetic processes inside of you on a regular basis, which allows you then to feel nourished and also to be kind of awake during your sleep and have those super freaking great ideas and be able to do this, to have these genius capacities on a daily basis, even when you sleep. And when you don't sleep, you awake when you sleep, so you lay down but you're still awake. Engaging the body. That means engaging the body means you are constantly active, going for long walks, running, climbing, using the body to lift, like for me, lifting my toddler, maybe helping people, I don't know, overcome obesity. You do stuff that are constantly keeping you active, and you go behind or beyond, shall I say, your addicted mind, that what you are doing is too much or is going to make you tired, because most of us, we are freaking lazy. On this path, you cannot be lazy. And on top of that, you have to be active. So even if your mind tells you, this is too tiring, let me have a rest, let me lay down on the sofa like I'm doing now, all right? Tell your mind, sorry, darling, this is not true, and just go out. Because I used to think, maybe I need a nap, especially when I became a mom. Next challenge on my path. Oh, I didn't sleep last night. I breastfed every 2 hours. Let me have a nap. But really, going out was more energizing than having a nap. And so now, every time my body tells me, my mind tells me, oh, I'm tired, let's go. But I feel that my body is fully fine and all right and full of energy and wanting to do stuff. I just go out, even if it's just to go to my piece of land, do, I don't dig, but do some lifting around, push the trailer with cardboards in it so I can recycle people's shit, because people leave some recycling everywhere. So I take it and I take it into my land so I can recycle it and recreate a better earth. I do these things, and you know what? It is freaking energizing. So just do that, okay? And as you do these things, engaging your body, being creative, you don't have time for other people. You just don't. So just take that time for yourself. Go and run. If people want to meet you, people want to connect with you, people want to be with you, people want to take your time and ask you, why are you not free anymore? Why are you not available anymore? Just tell them, come. Baby, come. Come run with me. Come and do some climbing with me. Come and go on that boat trip with me. come and create these videos with me. Come and do this public speaking event with me. Just tell them they can come and join you in what you are doing with your own self, focusing on your health, because this is what you're doing, okay? And as you do that, see how people react. If they want to grow their health, be at your level, let them be. But if they don't want to, and rather want you to join them drinking, going to the pub, going to just chat around, going to this party, whatever, I'm not saying you shouldn't go. Just focus on yourself. Have you done your own inner work, your own homework, your own energy work, your own physical activity, creativity of the day? Have you done that enough all along the day that you feel so energized that you're not even attracted by food, sleeping, or any random stuff? That you feel super alive? Then yeah, you can go join them if you still want it. And that can take quite a few months/years until you feel so energized, ongoing, that you can actually focus on others. As in serving them, teaching them, helping them, going around with them. But really, even after a few months/years of doing this, being self-centered, you realize, actually, let me do this one thing that I keep telling you to do in probably pretty much almost all of my videos. Share your health. Because as you do these things every day, being creative, engaging your body in different type of physical activities, you are going to be an expert at these things. So you can now do what? Share through how you do it. Create your own center. Create your own academy. Create your e-learning center, especially so that you can share with everybody in the world, no matter where they live. You know, Africa, Australia, India, America, US, it's the same stuff, North America, South America, Europe, UK, anywhere you can actually share your practices, your healthy practices on a daily basis. What you do, you can share with them through retreats, through workshops, Zoom calls, one-on-one group calls, online courses, books, even more creatively, t-shirts with messages on them, journals where they can write their own daily journals, like a diary in them, maybe stickers, frames with things that you can hang on your wall with messages, and then cards, mugs with messages. So many things you can create and share with the world for you to live in more abundance and a freer lifestyle. You can do these things, and you don't even have to work so hard on doing them. You can delegate to people like me. I have other people also helping me in this now. You can just do that. Delegate the work of your e-learning center creation to people who can help you while you focus on yourself, your health, your practices, your energy work, so that you can better share with your world your knowledge, capacities, and beauty. All this greatness that is yours now because you did this one thing, my friend. Focus on you and be selfish. So be selfish now, okay? Be selfish, and be selfish a smart way. Create your own academy, create your e-learning center. I can help you with this. Ask me questions, join my newsletter for more. I shall catch you up in the next video.